In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your second gear transmission pressure switch on a Honda CR-V, which is located in the engine area. You have to remove your air filter housing and your air filter snorkel tube. By doing that, take a pair of pliers, squeeze this connector, and this line pulls off. Remove your connector. Onto your lower clamp at your throttle body, which is a 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that clamp. Then up to the top clamp, same thing, 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that. Pull your tube off your air cleaner box, and then off your throttle body. Put that off to the side. Then you want to remove your wiring clips. Come underneath it, squeeze, pull up. Same thing back here. Push your tab down, then you can pull out, like that. Unplug your mass airflow sensor by pushing down and pulling straight out. Put your wire off to the side. Now you have your air filter cover, which is these clamps. Push down. Then you have one clip back here. You just want to push it off to the side, like that. Now you can remove your lid, slide it off to the left and out. Remove your air filter. Now you can take your 10 millimeter bolt out here. Put that off to the side. Now you have your lower air filter housing, which is held down by two rubber mounts here. All you want to do is lift this straight up and pop those out. There are your two rubber mounts. Once you get your bottom half of your air cleaner box out, your connector is right here. It's this green connector. It's right on top of the transmission. You can get a pair of pliers in there and push down on that tab, and you can pull it straight to your right and out like that. Kind of push it off to the side. The sensor is a 22 millimeter. If you take a short extension, put it in a swivel, then you can use a spark plug socket because it is a thin wall. Connect those together and you can sneak it down there and remove your sensor. Once you get your sensor out, there is a spacer here that you need to remove and install it on the new one. You can take a pick behind it, slide it out. Clean it before you install it on your new sensor. Like that. And that's ready to install it in the vehicle. Then you use a 22 millimeter socket to install. Then you want to tighten that. And that gets torqued down to 13 foot-pounds. Now install your connector. Wait for the click. Now it's time to put your lower part of your air filter housing on. You have your two rubber mounts here. Those go right here. Put it onto your air snorkel, then push down until it locks in. Once that's locked down, you have your 10 millimeter bolt you need to put back in. That bolt gets torqued down to 7 foot-pounds. Then you have your air filter. Slide it, push it down, make sure it's seated. Before you install your top part of your air filter box, you have your 3 clips. Just make sure those are out of the way and not underneath the lid. Take your lid, slide in to your right and down. Clip your 3 clips. Make sure it's secure. Now you have your mass airflow sensor plug. Clip that in there. This clips onto the box. Wait for the click. Take your air inlet tube, put your clamp on first. Slide it over your throttle body. Take your clamp, spread your clamp, put your pipe on. Now install it onto the box. And tighten your clamps. And just make sure your connections are good, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.